so this is gonna be a tour of my room. This is the door. It is wooden. When you come here in, when you come in to your right, you have double wooden doors. This is for your luggage. There is a safe that I won't be using. There's an iron. There's an ironing board. And then drawers. I usually don't unpack my stuff because I usually get out of my suitcase because I don't want to leave anything. Okay, so to your immediate left, after you all come through the door, is a glass frame. Let's find out what this is. Okay, so this is the toilet. Okay, so hi, this is me. The mirror is not as clean as it should be. But to your right, there's a blow dryer and the 2 glasses. And then of course you got your hand soaps and your lotions. Let's see. Well, they left your toothbrush, a comb, a sewing kit, and a shower cap, and then a shaving kit. Okay. So body lotion and more body lotion. Okay. So right here is the standing shower. There is no tub in here. Okay. They did leave some body washes. Oh, shampoo, yeah, body wash. Little, the small ones. Okay. Conditioner, shampoo, a couple of each in every. Okay. To your right is, I put my paperwork out here, trying to go through everything because it's my first time ever coming here. So anyway, there's a coffee pot and 2 waters. Thank you for the waters. We have a miniature refrigerator and some more water. Okay, and soda. All right. Then we have the king size bed with a tropical throw. Island vibe style. We have a large island vibe picture. Looks like 2 twin bed frames, but I think that's just how we're gonna turn this light on. And we're gonna check for bed bugs. Together. What was that? Some black. Oh, they own some wood. Anybody under there? Okay. Well, nothing apparent. We do have 2 mirrors and a clock there. There's a window here. Hi, that's me. My travel gear was very comfortable. It was 20 something degrees. The lighting, where's the lighting? But anyway, it was 20 something degrees and where I'm from, and it's 80 degrees here. But anyway, there's a TV, a remote, and let's see what's here outside this door. Oh, we got a balcony. How do we? I had the same problem in Dubai. I didn't know how to get out of that door. I'm gonna try. Shoot. Somehow it was locked. Okay, you have to push the button and pull. Push and pull, push and pull. Ooh, it's a little humid. I'm not gonna lock myself out. Okay. Oh, it's a pool on this side too. So this must be my pool. The pool I passed earlier must be somebody else's pool. That must be my pool. Okay. And there's some music in the background, so we don't want to get copyrighted. Look like some, I'll show you some stuff like that in the morning. Yeah, my mind be going everywhere. I was like, I hope I don't see no big vampires. Because I seen some big vampires online. And I'm like, oh, I hope ain't no big vampires on my balcony when I get there. My mind just go. So, anyway, this is my first night here. And it is, I think it's around, it's after 6 because they said you can eat between 6 and 9. And I just ate, so it's after 6. It's probably around almost 8. There's a floor mat, hand towels, and body towels. But anyway, that is the room tour. I'll give you the outside tour tomorrow. And thank you for watching my video. Goodbye.